Did you know, more than 1/3 of Americans in their mid-50s and older have chronic pain in their neck or back? And a similar percentage report chronic knee or leg pain. In fact, more than 1 in 5 adults in their late 40s through late 80s has some other type of recurring pain. Chronic pain conditions increase rapidly from about ages 25 to 60. Is there any way to solve the problem of back pain? Of course there is a way. Back Pain Relief for Life. Back Pain Relief for Life is an alternative approach to treating pain that is immensely more successful and cheaper than the radical, costly conventional procedures. From lawyers, doctors and dentists to busy executives, to people in the trades and service industries, to the military and police. People from all walks of life have benefited from this groundbreaking program. If you are interested, please click the link below the video. This treatment is mainly relieve your pain, restore muscle balance and flexibility, increase blood flow, oxygen and nutrients to the spine, all in less than 20 minutes. What is the secret that makes the Back Pain Relief for Life program so effective? The secret is the unique combination of 8 by 2-minute movements, which you've probably never seen before. This isn't yoga. This isn't Pilates. This isn't even exercise. These 8 simple movements systematically address specific muscle imbalances, the real cause of your back pain. And all you need is a place to lie down, a firm pillow or towel to put under your head, and a chair. That's it. So that means you can do this just about anywhere. At home, in the office, or even in a hotel room when you travel. And the best part is a complete session takes no more than 20 minutes. It easily fits into your schedule. In the time it takes to drive to your chiropractor, massage therapist or doctor's office, you can be experiencing true pain relief, healing your back from perhaps decades of injury. With the Back Pain Relief for Life program, you won't need a PhD in anatomy to get results. You don't have to read a huge book, take a class, do a self-assessment or take any kind of muscular imbalance test before you get started. All you need is the desire to end your pain, 8 simple movements, 16 minutes and the ability to follow easy directions. Movement number 1 begins activating imbalanced muscles, preparing them for relief. Movement number 2 wakes up dormant hip muscles and continues activating imbalanced muscles. Movement number 3, now that your body is prepared, you feel an initial wave of relief wash over you as movement number 3 starts releasing your pain. Movement number 4 continues flooding your lower back with newfound blood, oxygen and nutrients. You feel oddly energized. Movement number 5 decompresses the lower back. Clients often visibly exhale as years of pent-up tension is released. Movement number 6 aligns the whole body, restoring muscle balance along the entire spine in addition to your lower back. Movement number 7 finishes stabilizing your spine, back, and hips in their natural, pain-free positions. Movement number 8 gently compresses the spine to flush old blood out of your discs, then pull in new blood for even more healing, pain relief and recovery. Clients' faces soften and a smile crosses their lips as movement number 8 locks in healing. Afterward, you notice more flexibility, relaxed yet strong muscles and a distinct absence of pain. But that's not all. If you are interested, please click the link below the video.